Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about rank, tens rank, row number. So basically most of the peoples will be checking on your knowledge on window function in interview, as well as they used to ask question more about getting the second highest salary from a department, particularly from different departments. So I have taken the sample of this a data set, and I'll show you what are the things I am going to check here, right? So first let me show you the the raw data which I have actually. So that is nothing but source df. Please be with me, and I'll show you everything in detail. So it might be taking few minutes, but yeah, definitely it will be help for you. Okay. So I am showing you the raw data whatever it is there. So source df I have taken as a input, and this will be our output. This is transform df. You already know about it. If you don't know, so please do comment, or you can connect with me in LinkedIn or anywhere on social media. I am everywhere almost there. So you can connect with me and can teach you separately. Okay. So this is the actually department and employee name, and this is the employee ID, this is salary and location and all. So we are not bothering about these things. So we are focusing on this mostly on department and salary, right? So first let me explain you the window function, basically in PySpark way I am teaching you. So already window what gives you. So windows gives you just like it will work on set of rows, and it will give a resultant into separate column, and it will not collapse like group by. Okay. So this is how we are doing actually achieving via the window function. So window function will not allow to collapse all these row. It will have all whatever data you have. With that, along with that, you will be receiving another column if you want. Okay. So this is what actually majorly people will say about this in the interview. So let's explore about the window function. So window functions you will be seeing here, import window. So there is nothing but just we are defining window on what. So I have taken our input. I will show you here in second line. First we will be seeing here window df. So window, this is nothing but we are exporting. So this is window dot partition by department. Partition by means you have lot of departments just like IT, finance, HR. So based on that they are partitioning, in that they are playing with the departments internally. Suppose this is the finance. So if you want to give the rank by department, so 1, 1, 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that in between the department, not all the this department for all combined. So it will be giving inside the IT, whatever IT department there, they will be assigned the rank. So based on that you can understand partitioning based on the. So nothing but they are playing with the each department. And order by, so they are making the order. F dot call, you already know that function. This is the F function, and this is call means column. Salary we are applying here, just we didn't applied anything as of now, just we are giving the source df. So it is plain vanilla whatever in the data set input. So now let's make it here. So result df, we are taking source df. This is source input we are taking with column. With column means it will give a new column, that is nothing but rank. I am giving the name here, f dot rank. First I will be giving it, later on I will show you what is the dense rank and row number later on. Okay. F dot rank. So rank, there is rank, it will be giving rank 1, 2, 3. Just I will show you in after running this. Okay. So dot over on what. So here we have window df. So we have given window df. So we are performing over window df what rank, actually we are giving new column ranking. Okay. So let me show you the result df output. So it will be clear for you guys. Okay, so here, okay, let's preview the result of this one, what it is giving. Yeah, so basically what this has, these two lines, what they done is just like they have taken each department, partition by department, partition they did, and they have assigned the ranking 1 1 3 4. So suppose why see why here second number is not given, that is the over drawback of rank. So I'll show you in dense rank, it will resolve the issue. Okay, so this is F rank is giving 1 1 3 4, just because 1 1, why this 1 1 has given, just because it having 7 5 000 7 5 000, two columns having same salary amount. So that is the reason they have given 1 1. So they are not able to decide which one is greater. So because just they are equal, that is why they have given same ranking 1 1 and 3 4. Okay, so this is the rank. So it will give the gaps in the ranking rank. This is the major difference. So here you need to focus that why people are HR. I don't say HR, interviewer, I will be saying it. Interviewer, when they are going to ask question rank, what is the difference between rank, dense rank. So I will just put here quickly dense rank and I will show you the result. Okay, dense rank. So you will be in better position to give the answer for this one. Okay, so I have clicked. So yeah, so for the finance we have 1 1 2 3. Now they have given, instead of 3 they have given 2 and 4. So dense rank, what they are doing is here they are not giving the gaps in between the number of ranking. Earlier what happened in rank, they have given 1 1 3 and 4. So basically dense rank has skipped the gap. So they have given in the order, proper order. Otherwise they have calculated this second, even though they have not given the ranking second here, but they have considered this as second, right? But it was the 1 1 only. So that is the reason they have. So dense rank resolve that issue, that this is 1 1 2 3, right? So this is one thing. I hope till here you understand, right? So now suppose if we have rank and we are trying to get the second highest, first let me give here the descending order. So descending order, just it will give highest salary number, then lower in that way. So this is how. So first finance is 10 5 3 times 0, and this is how they have given order. So 1 2 3 3. So now finance for this ranking changed 1 2 3 3. Okay, now let's go to get the second highest number. I will show you from the salary who having second highest number. So I have given rank whoever having second highest salary. So I will show you the result quickly. So result here I will show you. Yeah, it's coming up, preview. So here basically they are giving the rank from departments where were second highest number. So the finance, this is 95000 and HR 85000. Okay, if I'll give rank 1, whoever the employee Amit, let's see, or whatever, for the ranking 1, let me show you. So it's coming up. Okay, so what is the problem here? Okay, if rank equal to 2, yeah, so we have not given that one space, that was their error actually. Yeah, so let it commit. Yeah, so for ranking 1, so there is 1 1 1 1. So here we have two IT with first ranking, IT with first one. So that is the problem with the rank actually. If there is duplicate, two people having same salary amount, then it will give the, you know, 2 times or whatever multiple times if there is, that is. So here comes into the picture row number. So row number will clear this problem. So even though all three will give the ranking, but row number will give the 1 2 3, just like ranking in the row. So first of the column, whatever it will be the row number, it will give the so whatever in ranking it was row number, so it has given me the first of that. So this is the what actually if anyone is asking from you, so give the second highest salary, third highest salary, nth, you can, instead of this one you can put nth, it will give the resultant of that one. So this is the core of window function. So I hope you got all the points. If you are having any doubt till now, so you can connect with me or you can suggest me if anything you want to suggest me. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We'll see the other upcoming in videos, whatever the things we want to cover, just we'll cover. Just you can put in the comment like which thing you want to me cover. Okay, so bye bye, take care till then.